guys, we got it right here. PliDiNNA. Look at this. This is super comfy. I am really happy with this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's already heated up my shoulder area, my neck area. Look at this. Boom. Kind of looks like a bulletproof vest. There we go. You got some wiggle room, you know. And you can just do a shimmy, maybe golf. Do some disc golfing in it. But yeah, nice. Got some room too in the pits. You get some pocket, cell phone, wallet, keys. Same thing. Do 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 do. And yeah, definitely got the collar. There we go. Got the collar chilled. You know, pop the collar a little bit. And then you got this going. Got the side. Oh yeah. Here. And here. Definitely nice. Alright guys, I'm going to show you the whole jacket right now. Wow, I noticed the difference already since I took the coat off, or the, whatever you call this. This is Asian heated apparel designed for the future. And then we got the heated buttons right here. You can have either the front, you can have it at once. Cooling, heat, so even on like Sunday mornings, you're for your jog. Here's the inside pocket. This is where you put your power bank that comes into here. Like I said, it does come with the USB, so you might want to charge it. So the day of you get it, just throw it on the charge, and then you're good to go. So it's a little dude, but it does its job. Nice little digital display, power button right there, and another USB there, so you could charge your phone, camera, your vlogs, whatever you want to do. See? Bada boom, bada bing. Just put it back in there. And then zip it back up. And now, yeah, I mean, this is super comfy, guys. Even the inside is looking good. I got a big size, don't worry about that. I'm old. Polyester. And here's so really good. Really happy with this. And then pockets. So deep pockets, so. And there's the back logo. So, like I said, guys, if you're looking for something different to give somebody this year, this would be a nice one to get. And you'll be happy, they'll be happy. It is a new year. Here we go. PliDiNNA. Alright, YouTubers, I'm going to let you go. You guys be safe. Have a good night. And take it easy.